Hi friends, this video shows how to fix USB tethering not working issue in Android mobile phone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, select about phone. Here you can see MIUI version. Here we need to tap 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. You can see the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Under settings, go down, select additional settings. Under additional settings, go down, we can find new option, developer options. Select it. So these are the list of developer options. From this list, go down, enable USB debugging. Tap here, then select this checkbox, then tap on OK. So that way we can enable USB debugging mode. Let me tap on OK. Done. After this, go down, find networking section. Here we can see networking. Under networking, tap on default USB configuration. From this list, we need to select USB tethering. Select USB tethering, then go back. Then we can test USB tethering again. So this time this should work. So this way we can fix USB tethering not working issue. Please take it.